Okay, you guys, today we're going to be looking at a server that's having some issues with just trying to log off another user. So let's say you're in a server or in a computer and you notice there's someone else logged into the machine. You want to, open up Task Manager. You can do Control Delete, or you can just simply right click on the taskbar and do Start Task Manager, and you get this, and you can notice that there's another user logged in. Now, I have my usernames hidden, so that's why you don't see a username, but let's just say you can see user Kevin, he is logged in, but he's disconnected. So you're like, okay, well, he doesn't need to be on here anymore. Let's log him off. So you hit log off and log off user. But then you get this error message that it cannot be logged off because his access denied. And usually this happens in an Active Directory environment. You just don't have proper permissions. But to get around this is you just need to either run Task Manager as admin or open up command prompt as admin and then execute task manager to open. So let's go ahead and show you uh, the first way. So we open up start, type in CMD, right click and do run as administrator, hit yes. And then we can just, you want to close the current task manager you have open. And then you can just type in taskmgr.exe, hit enter, and then boom, opens up task manager again, and now you can click on that user and hit log off and then log off again, and you should see them. It takes a couple seconds, but you can see it basically closes all their documents. If they have any programs open, it'll close all that out and then safely log them off. So let's give it a couple more seconds, and there you go. Now they are gone and they are logged off the machine. So like I said, you can open up Task Manager and run as administrator, or you can just simply close Task Manager here, right click on the shortcut I have here, and then right click and do run as administrator. And now you are running Task Manager in administrative mode, and you can safely log them off. Now there's other permissions and group policy. You can adjust these settings, but if you just want to quickly log someone off, just run as administrator and you got it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.